This is a 2013 Ford Super Crew Raptor, black over black leather interior. Power driver's seat, power windows, locks and mirrors, Sony audio, leather wrap steering wheel, home link for your garage door, trailer brake controls, satellite radio, navigation, upfitter switches, power moonroof. There's a look at the rear seat. Running boards, black aluminum wheels, 35-inch tires, aftermarket bumpers front and rear, lockable tailgate, aftermarket spare tire carrier. This vehicle is four-wheel drive, powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine, so it's got power. And like all pre-owned vehicles at AutoNation Ford St. Pete, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.